Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 1981 Harley-Davidson lowrider with 2,716 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with air ride suspension, Frankenstein TRIKE kit, tour pack, grips, mirrors, intake, exhaust, passing lamps, front turn signals, a windshield, Mustang tank pouches, a Mustang seat and Mustang backrest, dirty air shocks, primary cover, rider floorboards, chrome master cylinder covers, taillight, speedometer, oil temperature gauge, aftermarket horn, and an oil cooler. This vintage lowrider still holds its own and it's in good running condition. With the addition of the TRIKE kit, it still offers a classic riding experience just on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by an 81 cubic inch V-twin motor, the lowrider puts 67 horsepower and 67 foot-pounds of torque through a 4-speed transmission. In stock form, the lowrider has a top speed of 102 miles per hour, weighs in at 637 pounds, and has a 26.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.